But what I want to do is use a custom map. So let's jump back over to Mapbox and I'll show you how you can create your own custom. And all we need is a URL to put in here. So I'm back in Mapbox. And what I want to do is we're in the account to get our details, but now I want to go to the studio. And this is where you can create your maps. So we have styles in Mapbox, which are base maps, but we also have tilesets. And if you grabbed the data, there is school locations. And what I want to do is I want to have a look and see, is there any really hot heat spots near schools? So is there any concentration of accidents that are near to schools? So what I want you to do is to take that file. So we need to upload it as a tileset. So if you click on tileset and go new tileset, I'm just going to drop that file into there and click on confirm. And it'll load that up for us. So we get a message uploading. It's pretty fast. That's done. And you'll get a message succeeded. And here's the name that we had, and it puts some unique identifiers after it. So we want to use the latitude and longitude in here in our base map. So let's go back to styles. And let's create a new style. So I want something really minimal. So let's go monochrome. I'm just going to select that. And let's customize it. So in here, we can edit this map. So, we can turn streets on and rivers on and lakes and whatever we need to. All over here. So all the various components of a map. But what I want to do is I want to go to layers. And here's the layers you can turn on and off. And I want to add a layer. So click on the plus. I want to add a new layer. And the source of that layer will be the tile set that we just created, which was school location data just a minute ago. So that's the one. So if I click on that, and there's the field within there, so I want to click on that. Now this is not in Australia, so it's going to say go to your data. And there we can see our little green dots. So these are the latitude and longitudes in that CSV file. And these are all the schools in Victoria. And we want to use these in Power BI. We want to be able to see them on our map. So I don't want to use circles because we can use icons. So if I go on type here, I can change it to a symbol. So I've clicked on symbol. I can click on the style here. And this starts with a text, icon, position, placement. I just want to use an icon. Now you can use your own SVGs if you want. I'm just going to find something that looks like a school. So a little house. Yep, okay, that'll do. Ranger station. And now it's changed them all into little houses. So our users can clearly identify that's a school. Okay, so that is done. So on the top right here, I'm going to publish my base map. So I can publish as new, but I'll just click on publish. And style successfully published. So that is all good. So let's go back out to Mapbox. And now we have this monochrome style. So what you can do is copy that. I've already built one, so let's just copy this Mapbox base online. So I've just opened that. And what I'm going to do is just copy that for you. And if you want to copy that as well, let's go back to Power BI. And we're under Viz settings in the Mapbox visual. And we'll drop in that base map. And now you can see the schools. So in this earlier version, I did use a custom SVG to look a bit more like a school. So now you can see schools, like here, with heat map around them. Maybe around here there's a few schools. Oh, look at this one's right on, some red there. So a great way to appear like there's multiple data sets. So we actually just have a base map with data on it, but it isn't interactive anyway. So that's the heat map.